and some big news coming in. A massive social distancing violation in Karnataka's Hospet, Bellary, after State Minister Anand Singh had given advertisement for free ration. On your screen, you can see how a large crowd gathered to collect free ration. The Hospet, in fact, is the area where at least 7 fresh cases were reported just yesterday, and we're looking at complete violation of the lockdown here. There was news that possibly a Karnataka leader, a state minister, Anand Singh, was giving away and hoping to get access to free food. Here are thousands of them who barged into a certain area only to get hold of some ration. We do know that it's been a lockdown for over 2 weeks now, and those in the lower strata are finding it that much difficult to access food and water. It's quite hard for them to go about their daily living, and here we're looking at just one advertisement drawing huge crowds, whole social distancing norms thrown out of the window. Let's quickly go over to Brijesh Kalapa, Congress leader, joining us on the phone line. Mr. Brijesh, please do give us your thoughts on this massive gathering where people thought that Bellary State Minister Anand Singh was giving away free ration, and here we're looking at close to, I don't know how many hundreds, but hundreds of them coming together and waiting in line for free food. It's sad to see their plight, but what really do you think has happened here?
You see, while we don't oppose what is happening in the name of COVID, what is happening otherwise in regard to people's livelihood is something which I think the Congress party has been speaking from day one. In fact, from the KPCC, we also spoke about sector-wise, all kinds of professionals, including the barbers, including drivers. So it's a pathetic situation. Unless there is something which is regularly supplied to them, because there is a supply system, there is a direct transfer of funds, there is a Jan Dhan account. Unless there is something which is directly transferred to them, this kind of a situation is going to be replicated across the country. And one can't later say that no, this happened only in Hospet. This is going to happen in every part of the country. And Hospet and Mr. Anand Singh are only one, just a reflection of what is happening in the rest of the country. I think there must be some positive effort in this direction. And the first thing is, please ensure that people are fed. If they are not to die of COVID, they can't die of hunger also.
Essential supplies, Mr. Kalapa, is that what you're trying to say? That people aren't able to access essential supplies? While we know Karnataka government by far has been supplying essentials with ease, there hasn't been a strain or a crunch with regards to essential supply. What do you think has gone wrong in Hospet particularly? Would you be able to highlight?
To be very frank, if an MLA who belongs to a political party, his supporters only are going to garner away 90% of what is being distributed, I think it's a sad reflection. And this is happening across the state. This is not just happening in Hospet or one part or another part. This is happening across the state, and I'm told across the country. So that's why I'm telling you that this is the kind of situation, and this has to be remedied. Today or tomorrow it has to be remedied, because the more you create a scenario like this, I think this will only lead to large social unrest, which is as it is happening.
Right. Mr. Kalapa, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Let's quickly go over to Nagarjun joining us as well. Nagarjun, please shed some light on what we see. It's tragic to see hundreds of people rush to get some free food. It's sad to see their plight, but nonetheless, what really happened with the State Minister Anand Singh there announcing he's going to be food and people barging in? Where was the miscommunication that resulted in this violation of the lockdown?
I spoke to the minister himself, Forest Minister Anand Singh. What he said was, yesterday in the rural limits of Hospet constituency, he was distributing food and 20,000 people came in, maintained social distance. But this morning, he started distributing in the Hospet town limits, and he didn't expect such a big crowd. He said it was a part of failure for him also in terms of estimating how many people would come out. Then he said he's sitting with the district authorities to come up with a new strategy as to how do we maintain social distance and yet give out the essentials like ration and vegetables to the needy in Hospet Ballari district. He did agree that it was a part of his mistake that he didn't calculate the number of people that would come out and take this ration kit, but he said he would take it in the future, and also said that he apologizes.
Right. I mean, apology here can't be accepted, because it's common sense that if you're going to be announcing in an area which is considered to be rural Karnataka, in an area where essential supplies is a constraint and business has been severely hit, many of those farmers there quite in a difficult situation. Free food for them is a moment where they rush to get their hands on. It's inevitable that if a minister announces that he's supplying free ration, that you'll have hundreds or even thousands of them queue up. How did he not foresee something like this? And how can you possibly sensitize a population like this whose first priority is to feed their family?
That's absolutely right. He also mentioned that no matter what we say, people come out in large numbers. It's getting difficult to sensitize them. What you mentioned, Nabila, was right, that people, he also said that poor people just want food. They don't care about the distance that they're maintaining themselves. So what's the better option is to just go drop the ration kit near their houses. But today was a mistake that the district authorities and the MLA will have to take the onus. The minister himself has to take the onus upon, because they didn't make sure that people don't come out in large numbers. Thousands of people that we have seen are rushing to just get their hands on the ration kit that Mr. Anand Singh was going to distribute. If a bit of planning was put in place and a bit of thinking was put in place, this could be avoided.
Right. Nagarjun, thank you very much for joining us with those details. The State Minister there, Anand Singh, has a lot of answering to do. This is not the way that you distribute. It's quite a common sense that should prevail currently, that if you do announce that you're giving free ration, especially in rural areas, this is what you're going to witness. Here, people in dire need of basic essentials rushing to get their hands on free ration. Anand Singh there, of course, caught in the spot.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.